So today, it's the day of the premiere here in Oldenburg, in Germany, with Feuerwerk der Turnkunst.
Wow.
Are you excited?
Feuerwerk der Turnkunst, Tournee Aura.
We do the technical rehearsal in about 10 minutes, okay? We have a very beautiful show. I know it already, I saw it.
It's the first day of rehearsals, and tonight there's going to be like a general, but it's going to be a general with audience, and we're still fixing the rest of the show. We're really happy to be here. Right now, we're doing light tests. We ran our act this morning, and it went really well. We were really happy because it has been a while we didn't do it. Different music than usual, so that's awesome. Great.
Who are you doing this contract with?
I am doing this contract with Francis, of course.
Oh, Francis? Who's Francis?
It's really awesome to be here, meeting new people and having like a new experience. Are you nervous?
Right now, no, I'm not nervous. I was a bit nervous before our repetition, but now we did the first one, so it's better. We're gonna be here for a month, and it's actually vacations for us because usually we work like 2 shows a day and 6 days a week, and now that it's often gonna be 1 show a day. It's like a big vacation for us, so it's really cool. That's the best part, I think.
So what are we gonna do now?
Cut my hair. Get in here. I'm naked.
Ooh, who's that?
It's Katarina.
Oh, it's Katarina.
Oh, you didn't recognize her?
No, not at all.
She looks fabulous. Yeah, it's gonna cut my hair.
I'm gonna cut Francis's hair
Gonna do a good job.
to look fabulous for tonight. About it.
It looks beautiful.
Great, I'm so happy.
Thank you very much. Yes, indeed, today is the first show we're gonna do. We have really blue jeans today. See that? We match so well.
We are not playing in a theater or in a circus, but in an arena. So it's like a big stage, and it's like big audiences as well. Like there's up to like I think the biggest one is 12,000 people also. So it's like completely different to what we do usually, and that is really cool because it gives us the chance to make something new and switch things up a bit. Here we are. Rooms.
So we're gonna do a last rehearsal on stage. It's gonna be crazy! I like it.
Nice
like it so much.
tonight. And now we do the photo. We always did it here.
Very close together. Okay, let's start again. Last shot. Smiling. Four. Smiling. Yes, one more. Smiling. Yes, and 2. And the last shot. Smiling. Okay, thank you.
To drum. We have the sticks. So then when the local come, we can look in the middle.
Oh, you filmed it.
I filmed it. Was it good?
So good.
Are
We
you-
represented ourselves.
You did beautiful. Are you excited for the premiere?
Yes. Yeah, I mean, we already did party yesterday before the premiere, but so everything will be fine today.
Great. Francis, are you excited for the premiere?
Yes, very excited.
Are you guys excited for the premiere?
Yes, I'm looking forward to it. I'm really nervous, but it's going to be great.
Excited for the premiere? Yes, really. Yes, I'm very excited for the premiere. No, what?
Is it filming already? Yeah, it is. Are you excited for the premiere?
Yes, I'm excited for the premiere. Yes. Are you nervous?
Sometimes yes, sometimes not. We have a good team. I don't think that there are any problems.
Are you excited for premiere?
Always.
Perfect. That's what we need. Have a good premiere.
Me too.
Hallo. Ja, Peter Erwin.
Are the people laughing? Very much. Very much? Yes. Good audience?
Yes.
Food is downstairs.
Downstairs. Okay, I'm going to grab something.
It was really good. I think it's a really good premiere. I have a good feeling. You were great. And you were great as well, by the way. It was awesome.
Thank you. Awesome, guys.
Thank you. You too? I think it went well today.
I think so too.
Thank you.
So what's the best way to finish a premiere night?
Sauna, of course. We're going to sauna, swimming pool, then we have a jacuzzi.
Great. I guess it's time to go to the sauna then. You guys look great. the real way how to finish a show premiere. Yes, yes, that's it, that's it. Great. Okay. And like this, premiere night at Feuerwerk der Turnkunst 2018 is over. See you guys at breakfast. Good night.